Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to uninstall MySQL completely from Windows 10 or Windows 11. And if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Now the first thing that I need you to know is that by uninstalling MySQL from control panel does not uninstall it completely. So I'm going to show you each and every step. Just need to watch this video to the very end so that you do not make any mistake. Now the first step is going to the control panel. You will go to the search, then search for control panel, then click on open. Then this window will pop up on your screen. So you just need to go to view by and choose large icons. As you can see, I've already done that. Now you will go to programs and features, click on it. Then here you'll be able to see all of installed programs in your computer. So we will go to where MySQL is. I'm just going to scroll down, and here you are going to see the list of MySQL, beginning from MySQL installer, MySQL server, MySQL shell, MySQL workbench. We are going to uninstall each and every one of them. So I'm going to begin with MySQL installer. So just click on it, then click on uninstall at the top here. Yes, so it is going to uninstall MySQL installer. So guys, having uninstalled all the programs, we are going to go to the file explorer and delete all of MySQL files. So you are going to close control panel, then you will go to file explorer, then go to local disk C, then you are going to program files. So on the program files here, you are going to press on letter M. Then you will see the list of programs beginning with letter M. So you will see MySQL here. So open it, click on it, then you need to delete. Just right click on it, then delete. Then as you can see, the file has been deleted. Now once you've done that, you will close file explorer, then you will go to the search, then search for environment variables. Environment. So it will appear on the search result there, edit system environment variable. So click on open. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So you need to go to environment variables, click on it. Then under system variables, you are going to scroll down a little bit, then you will see path. So double click on it, then it will land you here. So these are the environment variables. So you are going to see the environment variables for MySQL server. As you can see, this one. So this is the one. So we also need to delete this one. So select it, then come to delete, then click on OK, then OK, then OK. And that's how you have uninstalled MySQL completely from your Windows. That's really it, guys. That's how to uninstall MySQL completely from Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.